I think all our society is run by insane people for insane objectives. You know? And I think that's what I sussed when I was 16 and 12, way down the line. But I expressed it differently all through my life. It's the same thing I'm expressing all the time, but now I can put it into that sentence that I think we're being run by maniacs for maniacal ends, you know. If anybody can put on paper what our government and the American government, etc., and the Russian, Chinese, what they are actually trying to do, you know, and what they think they're doing, I'd be very pleased to know what they think they're doing. I think they're all insane, you know, but I'm liable to be put away as insane for expressing that. You know, that's what's insane about it. Every country's had a violent revolution for one reason or the other. Not one of them has the freedom we're all talking about. So we're saying give peace a chance, you know, like nobody's ever done it before. And it's not a matter of, we're not thinking in terms of 10 years, we're thinking in terms of peace forever, you know. And everybody's talking about now, I want peace now. We can get peace now if we want it now. And the left wing talk about giving the power to the people. You know, anybody knows that the people have the power. All we have to do is awaken the power in the people. The people are unaware. It's like they're not educated to realize that they have power. They put the politicians in power. They vote for the local mayor. The people do it. But the system is so geared that everybody believes that just the father will fix everything.
Hello guys, it's Ish again. So I wanted to talk to you guys about unconditional love. When you have unconditional love for someone, usually there are no boundaries. Always, there exists no boundaries of expectations or ego or control. To manipulate a certain cause and effect in events through someone who we care about shouldn't be our priority. Our priority should be to, first of all, understand them, where they are coming from, based on the information that they provided to us, their history, the good and the bad, their deepest fears, their codependency to specific things, that's drugs or alcohol or food or people or things or objects, anything that you can feel that without that they cannot survive. Whenever someone who's attached to these things and have these things present during their life and are not being able to step away from this, from these things and these actions, these behavioral patterns, then you can clearly see that these people have a codependency to things. I give you an example. In my life, I try to balance things out a little bit. I created my job, which will allow me to travel, to be in different places, in different time, and still be able to earn money with it. I made sure that my schedule is open for me to rest, to meditate, to be able to focus also on my knowledge and bring synergies to my energies on a daily basis. So I do a lot of, for instance, meditation during the morning. In the afternoon, I start to warm up to do my work, as you can say, to do some physical work. Either it's for business or for myself, from physical energetic balances. If it's for business, then I will either write something, a concept, an idea for coaching, or to for myself, knowledge. If I want to study something or perfect something, I usually create a plan and dedicate to it. Now you would say, okay, how is all of this coming into play when it comes to unconditional love? Well, the reason is we don't spend a lot of time within ourselves. We spend a lot of time finding unconditional love or love externally. So we forget about the internal love that we have. Now, A lot of people want to call it the Christ consciousness, or they want to call it different types of names. We try to find obviously names for everything and name them everything, like yoga or meditation or crossfitting or anything. At the end of the day, those words are there, created by a specific ethnic group or groups of people who believed in something, who believed in the balance of energies, who believed in trying to balance energy. So my question is, why fight these things that were given to us? When I was small, around 8 years old, I read a book about I Chi that talks about the energy and how the energy fluctuates and what it was, energy from within, not electricity, but a non-physical energy, the one that we can enhance. So I started a coaching program that will help you and actually guide you through the process of these difficult times. You can write me an email and comment. I will send you out a questionnaire. And during this questionnaire, I will ask you some specific questions based on your background. You send me back this questionnaire, and I will be able to prepare for you a specific meditation, a one-of-a-kind meditation that's only made for you specifically on your level of frequency, energetic frequencies. And after translating some of your thoughts into these energies, I prepare you a meditation that will allow you to bring certain synchronicities, and then we take it from there. So the tools are there. I'm thinking I want to start with this way, which I've been working already with others and as a coach. You want to call it spiritual coach. For me, it doesn't really matter what you call it. I'm a mind programmer, mind engineer, so I'm capable of doing these things for everybody. Unfortunately, I have still a lot of things to work on, so I don't have the capabilities yet to be out and about in public and offering this to everybody. However, I think this is a good platform to be able to do it. And it's pretty much a reasonable price so that you guys can support what I'm working on. And hopefully our goal is to do it for free. But I know there's people out there who have some difficulties in understanding what unconditional love truly means, and how the positive and negative energies within our minds, the left side and the right side of the brain, affects us reaching this unconditional love and self-love. So I put out this video, and message me, email me. Now it's up to you. What do you do with the information, and what do you prioritize in your life as a part of your integration process for your own self-love in your mind. And I'm here to facilitate tools. So let's link up and let's make it happen. I have a quote that says that, unconditional love is like a little tree that we have inside of us. When we're born, this tree can be nurtured, and energetic values can be given in multiple ways, some good, some bad. This creates the direction of the tree itself and how it grows. So understanding these principles, these natural principles of our own ecosystem as mankind. I'm not talking about the planet's ecosystem, I'm talking about our personal ecosystem as mankind. I explain a little bit more how our dietary system has a big influence on our levels of thought. So let's link up, email me, and I will present to you how it works. Okay. Much blessings, namaste, and much love for everyone and everybody. Ciao, ciao. Talk to you soon.